In this video, I'll show you how to turn off caller ID announcement on Android phone.
Incoming voice call from TA smiling face with hearts on SIM Bangla link.
So if you had to disable the caller ID announcement on any Android phone, then here's a real guide of how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So now to turn off the caller ID announcement, go and open up the phone application from your Android phone, and from the phone homepage, go and tap on this three dot line at the top left and then tap on settings. And from the settings page, you just need to scroll down to the very bottom and you get the caller ID announcement. You just need to tap on this and tap on announce caller ID. It should be selected with the always or when using a headset. You just need to select never. And from now, the caller ID announcement will no longer work on your Android phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.